what is literally up, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to concrete a section of your basement. I've taken me sledge 3-pound hammer, I believe, and a metal stake, and I was just chipping around, and there was some unevenness, and I think it's where this column here has sort of pushed over time, and we had to get a new beam and quite a large header here, so I believe they messed up this part when they were putting this header in. So I'm just going to show you how to patch it up and smooth it out so it's not such an inconvenience or an eyesore. So I'm just taking some of my 25 stones and spreading it around, and then just to make double extra sure that there aren't any problems, I'm going to use my trusty compactor and just mash it up real good into a fine paste, if you will. Just kidding, obviously not a fine paste, but yeah. So, alright, now I believe we're ready for concrete. I'm hoping this won't take more than a bag or a little more, but 80-pound bag that is, so we'll see. Stay tuned. Okay guys, it's literally what is up. Got my trusty mud mixer here. Here is my container to transport the concrete. We're gonna do quickity pickety rinse. Got to turn the water on. Alright, there with me, folks. Okay guys, may double check, make sure we are recording. We've got the beautiful Sydney sunset in the background there, if you couldn't tell by my accent, of course. Alright, so where were we? Washing the bucket. Clean-ish, and you can hear my crackhead dog in the background. Crackly Poo, also known as what's her real name? Coco the crackhead. Okay, so anyway, now we're gonna go get the concrete, and it'll be showed. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to run it for a second. Let's see. Okay, so we have run time. guys, next we have what I like to call bringing the juice to the blender. Normally I would have a mask, but too vain to wear a mask on a global televised event. So we're just gonna pray all goes well. Okay, it's like we are ready for concrete. Up a little forward. Amen. You can see there, getting a little caught up in there. Now it's pushing through. So we do have some smoothie mix going. Anyways, we'll sort through all that. Okay, let's have a go, shall we? Okay guys, we are ready. Do have, it's a bit soupy of a mixture, see if you can see that. And I even went from 50 to 35 on the gallons. But let's see if we can't mix it a little better, and then off to the hole we go. I just love Sydney this time of year, guys. Post in the comments if you love Sydney this time of year. They're over in the States fighting over Donald Trump and who knows what, pushing Biden out of office and all kinds of stuff. Sydney's a beautiful place. Okay, so looks like it's gonna take a little more than that. Let me get my trowel ready. Alright guys, you really should try and hurry when you're dealing with concrete, but here in Sydney our toilets spin a different way and our concrete dries a little slower. So if you're ever on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, you can send me a check when you get that one right. Crikey. Okay, so not much for that spread. Just we go get another batch. Hi ho. Okay, we are back, guys. As you see, the Sydney sunset continues to get more and more beautiful, and the mud continues to flow. Right, let me put you guys somewhere tasty over here. Tasty, we say that in Sydney. Okay, will you be able to see my beautiful face? Okay, let's give it a go. Batch number 2 mixed up. We will go ahead and clean about you guys, but she looks pretty clean to me. Okay, let's go have a dump with this concrete here. Alright guys, and there you go. The beautiful mud mixer has made filming on my brand new Fold 6 relatively effortless job, and I haven't gotten concrete in the buttons and such. Anyway, let's get on with it, shall we? So this will finish off the rest of that 80-pound bag. Let's see how much we got here. Well, maybe we'll have to escape it. There she goes. In Sydney, the concrete doesn't dump quite as easily. So if you're the one who wants to be a millionaire, you know where to go and what to send me. Alright. And don't be phoning me as your friend. I can only do so much for you guys till we reciprocate this relationship a little better by subscribing and thumbs up, and you know, mates, it's crucial part of the concreting way. Looks like we might need that other 80-pound bag, which kind of glad I got. I'm not gonna lie. we are smoothing and troweling, smoothing and troweling. And we've got sunshine on our shoulders, makes me happy. I think that's how it goes, mates. You in the States would know better than I. So, you gotta smooth it out if you're gonna put, you know, like, if you want to stamp your butt cheeks on it and stuff. So, let's smooth it out. Don't go thinking I'm gonna show y'all an impression of my butt cheeks on this here stamp paddy. Oh man, so close. But it does look like we will indeed need that extra bucket. Concrete here in Australia goes a little less far than you might be used to in the States. That's what I've seen anyway. Actually, I'm pretty sure it's just you always underestimate. But be sure not to underestimate, guys, when you're subscribing and double liking and grabbing your mommy and your daddy's phone and your grandpappy's phone and you're subscribing on their phones and whatnot. Forget where I was going with that, but you know, grab their phones and subscribe away. Sorry if I haven't in any way violated any terms of service. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so I think I covered my bases with all that legal mumbo jumbo. Alright, back to the concrete stage. Okay guys, and going back to butter up the grill, or whatever I said it's like. I've used the blender. And you can't see my face, but now I'm wearing my trusty mask like you should be always doing. Throwing your bags to the side. Alright, shall we? Guys, let's see how that does it. Okay guys, we are ready to pour bucket number 3 down here in Sydney, where our toilet bowls spin opposite direction. Alright, here we go mateys. That's what I like to call tapping your box out. Don't forget, grab your grandpappy's phone and subscribe he'll thank you someday when he sees one of my videos. Unless he's anti-Sydney, then you might not like it so much. But then you tell him how great it is to watch these perfectly poured concrete beds. Boy, I mean, hey. That was singer-songwriter Sydney Blackstone. Just kidding. I think I heard that on the little ride called the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Beautiful experience, by the way. I recommend you give it a go sometime when you're in the land where the toilet bowls spin the opposite way that they do here. And if any smarty pants want to post in the comments about how they think I'm doing this wrong, we'd love to hear about it. Keep your little opinions to yourselves. Alright, looks like we might need a little bit more. Hope I don't have to get that third bag. I was really hoping to avoid that price. Alright. Crikey. Let's go. Okay guys, let's fill up this second bucket here, shall we? Take this other bucket, shall we? Alright guys, back to Sydney we go. And not sure if you caught my little joke of sticking my hand in the blender, the concrete blender, but that was a little joke because I'll give you boys a lesson. Here's what happened last time I did that. See this scar here? Well, doesn't stop until there. So anyway, that's why we don't do that. But now let's finish up this high hoeing along. This was a little thinner mixture than I would have liked, But let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful concrete. Maybe what I'll do is I'll fill in these couple spots and then dump the bucket. That sounds like fun to you guys. Does to me. Just hope we don't get grandma's table legs concreted to the floor, if you know what I mean. It's what we call slang talk here in Sydney, the land of the white shark. Okay, might be a little much. And then we gotta tap the bucket, as they say. Hey. Okay, let's get spreading, guys. And remember, grab your grandpappy's phone, and what are you gonna do with it? You're gonna subscribe to the greatest channel in the universe. And seriously, if you like this video, I will try and do some more, because I really love helping you guys out and helping out the old house. Yeah, she had her 100th birthday a few years back, so she really needs a lot of TLC, and I'd love to show it to you guys. Honestly, trying to get this pool smooth so I don't have to go down the driveway and get the dreaded third bag of concrete. Hey. That's more like an Aussie. Right, crikeys. Okay. Yeah. So, I'm hanging out with those people that play Fortnite all night long. I think they live down here too, where these toilets flush opposite direction. Really, you should come for a visit just to see the toilets. I mean, I can't emphasize that enough, guys. Once your grandpappy realizes what a huge favour you've done for him by subscribing to this lovely channel, he's going to want to repay you. And you can say, Daddy, Grandpappy, can we go to the Sammy Reed video headquarters and give him a thumbs up double, wait, in person? That didn't sound right. Don't come give me a thumbs up in person. Well, you can, as long as you know which bloody finger you got up. Just kidding. No, y'all wouldn't do that, because we all like each other here. And we're just concreters. Rough and tough concreters. And then, you know what, maybe I'll put a little impression for my followers when I'm done. So you gotta watch all this video just to make sure you see what the special inscribement is. Oh, it's exciting, guys. So incredibly exciting. You might want to grab Grandpappy for this one. Because, you know, Grandpappies, they need a good life too. Okay. Just got a text message on whatever cellular system they have in here in Sydney. The toilets flush backwards. Okay. So, you know, we might be in for a little treat. First time too, we roll the old file cabinet over this, but all in all, considering you guys were keeping me so entertained, I think we did a lovely job. And now, what should we inscribe? I think we should go with the inscribed theme and maybe just write Exscribe. And then when you come take a tour of the studios after you pay your 50 shillings, you'll be able to see where we actually exscribed. Oops, messed up. Oh. Okay guys, beautiful. Thanks for watching. Exscribe with your Grandpappy's phones. Thanks guys. Double thumbs up and mash that like button.